Hello and welcome. Are you trying to understand how a company is structured and more importantly, why is it structured that way? Maybe you are a leader and HR professional or just curious about how successful business operate. So today we are boiling down the fundamentals of organizational design. We'll cover what is it, the key models and the exact question you need to ask to get it right. So, what is the organizational design? It's not just drawing an ORG chart, it's a deliberate strategic process of aligning a company structure, process, and people with its business strategy. The goal is to create an effective organization that can achieve its missions. Think of it as creating the blueprint for how a company functions. A popular framework for this is Galbraith star models. It shows that a company design have five key parts that all have to work together. The first one is strategy, means that the company have a missions, values, and goals. The second one is structure, means that this is the ORG chart, how power and authority are distributed. The third one is processes, means that the flow of information and work like budgeting or product development. The fourth one is how you pay and promote people to motivate them. The fifth one or the last one is people is the skills and talent of your employees that you have. If you change one part like a strategy, you have to realign the other four. Okay, so how do actually you do this? It's a journey, often broken into five key milestones or phases. The first milestone is frame the case. In this phase, you can ask about why we are doing this. You define the business case for the change and get the leadership aligned. The milestone 2 is design the what, or this is the big picture. You look at the strategy and decide on the high level of structure. Milestone 3 is about design the how. This is where you get detailed. You map out your strategy into specific process, roles, and connection between teams. Milestone 4 is transition. In this phase, your project management phase, you create the plan to actually roll out the new design. The last milestone is realize the value. The new design is live. You track its performance and make sure it's delivering the result you wanted. That process is a great, but what question should you be asking along the way? Think of it as your organizational design toolkit, and I will tell you about 9 critical questions to guide your project. The first question is what is the business case? Just like the milestone 1, this is asking about why are we doing this and what does success look like. The second question is what are our strategy priorities? Are we built for innovation, efficiency, or customer service? You can be best at everything. What are the core process is the third question. This is about what is the key work that deliver values to our customer. The fourth one is what are the breakpoints? Where do teams, function, or regions have to collaborate to be successful? The fifth one is what activity should be grouped together. This is help you define departments. Should you group by function, products, or geography? What role should be in each group? Is define what people will actually do. The seventh is how will we link the teams. This is how will information flow. This is about the process and networks. The eighth is how will we manage the performance. Is about what metrics and rewards will drive the right behavior in this new structure. The last one is what is the transition plan. This is asking about how do we get from here to there. Is it step by step or what. So, in a summary, it starts with understanding what is it, a system for aligning your company around its strategy, like the STAR model shows. It follows a clear 5 milestones process from building the case to realizing the value. And it's driven by asking the right key question to build a design that actually works. By being this deliberate, you move from just having an ORG chart to having a true organizational capability.